Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop here, BareRose Garage. Alright, what did we do today? Hey, we got some metal hot actually. I know I keep saying it, but I ain't showing it. But I finally did get a little metal hot today. I'll show you what I did. As you can see, I got the mock-up back out, and I went ahead and I cut those perches off. I know it ain't much metal hot, but I did get something done. Dadgum. There ain't much left on that, but I did get them cut off and I got them all prepped. So now I got a engine stand coming. I went up to Harbor Freight. Actually, I called them first, good thing, because it's quite a ways out of my way, to see if they got another engine stand that I can set this on and get ready to pop it open and regasket it and find out why them cylinders are stinking with some stink bugs stuck in them. Make sure they haven't done any damage in there. Well, anyway, they don't have one. Pocatello and Rexburg have got them, but each one of those, north or south, is an hour one way. So I canned it. I'm hoping that tonight the one that's closer to me will have that, so I can get that done. Set that on a stand, and I got a gasket set coming. It's coming from Salt Lake, so it'll be here hopefully tomorrow afternoon. So plan is to get that on an engine stand, bust it open, find out why in the heck this Ford stinks to high heaven of them stink bugs. And the transmission, I got a pump seal that goes back there behind on the, on the torque converter and everything. And start getting this ready to mount it together, and then I'll drop it back into the Fairlane here. This torque converter, I'm not sure about. I know this has got a pretty good stall in it because of the weight that was on that motorhome. So she's made to bring this engine up quite a bit in the RPM to get it rolling. So I know this is a torque converter, if that makes sense. I might try it, run the car a couple of times. If I don't like this, I know of another one, a combination. You use a small block Ford with an automatic C6 from a 1-ton. They had a couple of years there that they used them. Anyway, they got a really good stall in them. It's a good stock, easy on the wallet stall that you can get. Anyway, that's what we're running on the 51. Because I know this Fairlane, she's got a curb weight. I haven't weighed the car yet officially. I'm just going off of factory curb weight numbers. But when this thing rolled out of the factory, according to them, she weighs 3,200 pounds. So she's a little on the heavy side, but not as bad as you would think for a big 50s, late 50s car. And like I said, I'm going to try that torque converter, see what happens. If that don't work, I've got an out for that. A cheap stock out for it. So that's where I am today. That's where I'll be at tomorrow. And I did get some metal hot. Even though I didn't get a whole lot done on it today, I did get something. And that's what's important on that, every day, if you can get a little bit of something done, in the end, you'll be a rolling on her. And you can see, I don't have a jacket on. We actually hit 41 degrees today. We're on the upswing. I'm thinking in 2 weeks, we'd be doing burnouts out there. Real burnouts, not the ice road. You can do it in a lawnmower burnouts. I'm talking the real fun stuff. So, in the meantime, all of you out there just pushing for the no-name nationals, hey man, I'm pulling for you hardcore. We're all going to get there. We're all going to have some real good times and some good old fun. Ain't that right? Okay? Meantime, everybody out there, keep that metal hot. We're going to get there.